Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. दोस्तों आपका स्वागत है. Today in this specific video we are going to discuss about Christ University application part. So in this video we are going to talk about what are the varieties of the law courses available, that is after 12th law courses are available with Christ University. Number one, what are the kind of application details to be done. Okay, what are the dates for the examination, what is the entrance examination pattern. Okay, we will decode all those details for you. Okay, so here I'm on a Christ University website. Okay, I'm going to give you all this information which you can use it on your own as well. Okay, let's start. So this is Christ University website. Okay, talking about varieties of the campuses. So they have 3 campuses. Okay, in Bangalore, which is Central Campus, Bannerghatta campus, and Kengeri campus. Okay, and then there is Delhi and Pune Lavasa campus available. Okay, so what I will do is I will directly click on this admissions button at the top. Okay, and then I go to this undergraduate, you can say, programs. So when I'm putting on the undergraduate program, they are opening everything for me, which is all programs, undergrad, postgrad, doctoral. And if I click on undergrad, I will get a list of all undergrad programs here. Okay, so there are various schools. Okay, so there was School of Engineering and Technology, School of Law, School of Commerce, Finance and Accountancy, School of Arts, Humanities, Social Science, School of Architecture, School of Education, School of Business Management, School of Social Science. We are picking up a law program. Okay, here we have, you can say, total 6 programs are available. So these programs are BA LLB in 3 campuses. One is Bangalore, Delhi and Pune. Other is called BBA LLB. Okay, in these 3 campuses, that is how the idea is. Okay, so this is BA LLB honors. Let me take to one of them. For example, I'm here on this BA LLB honors. Okay, so the application form is open from 11th of January 2022. Okay, and the last date is 28th of April. Okay, okay. So here you get all details like program details. Then this is, you can say, admission process, application process, international category, NRI category, okay, cancellation policy, miscellaneous information, okay, eligibility, entrance test pattern, fee structure, and so on and so forth. Okay, so first and foremost, let me take you to this program. It's a 5-year integrated program in a Christ University, which is deemed to be university. Okay, and it is approved by Bar Council of India. So that's not a major trouble. It's a good college, and IRF ranking mein they are at very good position. So let me take you to admission process. Admission process will be very simple. Okay, so you are required to, you can say, choose the date and the time of the available option for the admission. Okay, admission must be processed at the campus where the program is offered. So every individual campus program has to be applied separately. That's what the idea is. Okay, okay, great. And you will need, you can say, 10th mark sheet, okay, 11th or 12th mark sheet, whatever is needed. Okay, and as and when you are, you can say, applying to that particular college, okay, once you get admission, okay, then they'll ask you all the necessary details. That is all the, you can say, academic detail. That's, I believe, easy for the large number of students. Now what is important for you right now is application. Okay, in the application front, it is starting from 11th of January. Okay, generally it is still 20th of April. They may possibly extend, they will definitely extend, okay, depending on the current, you can say, scenario. Okay, okay. Now application for each program will close approximately a week before scheduled selection process. So that date is what we have to see. But as of now, it is 20th April. They have many rounds. Okay. All application has to be filled through abstat.christuniversity.in. Okay. That's how it is available. Okay. Okay. What you need is, you can say, 10th mark sheet, 11th or 12th, whichever is available to you, that is needed. You need passport size photograph, okay, that's with a white background in a formal dress, okay, and you have to pay a kind of payment. Okay, that's what you will be requiring. Okay, and then certain kind of criteria are provided. You must go through that. In case you are, you can say PIO or you are NRI, okay, or you wish to apply for NRI category, okay, that's what you have to go by. So there are international category, there are NRI category is provided. Okay, let me first take you through this selection process. Okay, because we understood application process, I will come back to the category part. So depending on the students, you may possibly look at it. Okay, entrance test, okay, will be an online exam. Okay, once you can say appear for entrance test, you have to clear micro presentation, which is called MP. Okay, candidate should be able to speak on a given topic for 90 seconds. Okay, the topic will be given by the panel on the interview day. Okay, and then there is a personal interview which will be of 10 minutes. So what will happen during the interview itself? The micro presentation will take place. Okay, during the interview itself, the presentation will take place. There will be academic performance will be checked, and that's very important. So scan copies of 10th and 11th marks should be uploaded. Okay, if the 12th marks are not uploaded, you must submit your 11th standard mark sheet. Okay, the office of admission will process everything based on the data you uploaded. Okay, so that's what the idea is. Some, you can say, rules are provided here. Okay, read all the important links, which is eligibility, documents required thoroughly. This is important. Okay, the date and time for selection process are auto generated by the system. Therefore any request for the change will not be entertained, which is good. A Google Calendar invite will be sent to your registered email ID one day before MP and PI selection. So whatever is the interview process, which will be online, which will be possibly through Google Meet, so that invite will be provided. It may be possibly through Google Meet or Zoom, I don't know that, but mostly it will be Google Meet. So that's how the idea is. Candidate failing to appear for selection process at a stipulated date and time will be considered not selected. Okay, that's very important. Candidate must also show government recognized photo ID proof and so on and so forth. Those are the rules. But anyway, the first thing what we got to understand is this is the exam, you can say, process. Entrance test, micro presentation, personal interview, and academic performance. I think that's easy. Okay, now let's come back to entrance test pattern. What is the exam pattern for the law program? Look at it is the process. This is the exam pattern for BA LLB and BBA LLB. Total 120 marks. Okay, and it is a 2-hour paper. Okay, so English will be of, you can say, 30 question. Okay, reasoning will be 25. Okay, general knowledge will be 30 question. Current affair will be 15 questions. Okay, so that makes it to some around 100 questions, and data analysis and interpretation will be 20 questions. So total 120 questions in 120 minutes. Okay, this is what the idea is. Okay, so this is what you have to prepare. Is there a mathematics? Yes. When you talk about data analysis and interpretation, it is basically mathematics. GK is a good weightage. Current affair is just 15, you can say, questions. No legal aspect, but in a reasoning, there may be some questions connected to legal. Okay, there may be some questions connected to constitution in GK, may be connected to current affair, related to judiciary, related to parliament, and related to law. Those kind of questions will be available. However, no legal questions are available. Okay, that's wonderful part. चलिए, ग्रेट. ठीक है, आई होप इट इज वेरी क्लियर टू एवरीवन. सबको ये बात समझ में आया? वेरी गुड. ठीक है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वन मोर पार्ट विच इज कॉल्ड फी स्ट्रक्चर. दोस्तों, फी स्ट्रक्चर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, बिकॉज based on your category you should know that what is the fees you have to pay. So if you are from Karnataka, your per annum fees is approximately for the initial 3 year is 1,70,000 rupees. Okay, while if you are coming from outside Karnataka state, then the fees is 1,95,000 rupees. Okay, if you are applying for NRI category or NRI sponsored category, then it is 2,50,000 rupees. If you are applying for, you can say SARC, Africa, PIO, OCI category or ASEAN category students, then it is 4,000 US dollar. And if you are, you can say applying from, you can say foreign national apart from NRI, PIO, Africa, SARC or ASEAN nation, then it is 4,500 US dollar. Okay, this is the fee structure based on your category. Assuming that large number of you are coming from, let's say, Indian states, so either you are from Karnataka, then you will be paying 1,70,000, otherwise you will be paying 1,95,000 rupees. Is that comfortable for everyone? Clear? Great. Okay. Now there are some specific information provided for NRI category, international category. Okay, you have to go through that particular category to know more about it. Okay, so whether you feel you fit into that category or not. Okay, please go through that. Okay, if the conditions you fulfill are, you can say, fitting into it, you must, you can say, go through that if you are okay with the fee structure or not. Okay, that's very important. And one important thing I want to, you can say, focus on is that when you apply, okay, so when you are applying for BA LLB, then you have to give preferences for the campuses. BA LLB is a separate program. BBA LLB is a separate program. So you have to apply, you can say, to, you can say BA LLB, you have to fill a separate form. If you have to apply for BBA LLB, you have to apply for separate form. But for campuses, you are not required to fill a separate form. I hope it is very clear. Great. So dosto, this was basic information from my side on Christ University application for law program. In case you have a question or query, please put that into comment box. I will be more than happy to respond to all your queries. Okay, thank you very much for watching this and all the best for your preparation. Don't miss out to like this video, subscribe to our channel and tell to large number of people to be part of ProTalent. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.